Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, when the news of Prophet's claim of being a prophet in Makkah Mukarramah reached Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu, he said to his brother, go riding to this valley and gather information for me about the person who claims that the news of heavens comes to him. Listen to him and then come back to me. He set out until he reached Makkah Mukarramah, listened to the Prophet's sayings and came back to Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu and said, I have seen him. He bids to adopt good manners, and what he says is not a collection of poetry. I said, you have not done what I intended. Then Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu, taking the journey victuals and his water skin, which had some water in it, reached Makkah Mukarramah. He entered a masjid and searched the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but he neither recognized him nor liked to ask anyone about him until the night fell. So he lay down. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu saw him and thought that he was a traveler. He also saw him and followed him, and neither of them talked to other until the day dawned. Then Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu, taking his water skin and provisions, went to the masjid. He stayed therein the whole day long, but could not see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam until it was evening, and he again came to his sleeping place. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by him and said to himself, this man has not still found his destination. So he radiyallahu anhu made him stand up. He went along with him, and neither of them asked anything from each other. When it was the third day, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu did the same. Let him stay with him, and then said, why do you not tell me the reason of your visiting this city? Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu replied, if you give me a pledge to guide me, I will tell you. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu promised. So Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu expressed his intention. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam is true, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam is really Allah's apostle. When the day dawns, you should follow me. If I perceive anything dangerous for you, I will stop in a posture as if I had to pass water. If I continue my walk, you should keep following me until you should enter the place where I enter. Hazrat Abu Zar did so and followed Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu until Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu reached there as well. Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu heard the Prophet's sayings and embraced Islam there and then. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, go back to your people and preach them until my message reached you. Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu submitted, by him in whose possession my soul stays, I will make my embracing Islam public among the people. Then Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu went out, reached the masjid and said aloud, I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and undoubtedly Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's apostle. So the people fell on him and started beating him and even made him lie down. Then Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu came and stopped over him and said, woe to you! Do you not know he belongs to the Ghifar tribe? It is your route for your trade with Syria. He then rescued him for them. The next day, he again declared it openly. The people again fell upon him and beat him, and Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu again stopped over him and rescued him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6312.